Okay, let's start with the section 1. Okay, step forward, hold, walk, 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 hold, recover back, step back. Okay, with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Step back and then half turn with the weight on left, and then step back, step to side, and then recover, hold, and then half turn with the okay, with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's repeat section 1 and section 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, section 3. Cross, side, cross behind, sweep, out, and then quarter turn to left, to right, step, full turn, okay? Okay, with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Let's repeat section 1, section 2, and section 3. With the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Step side, hook, step to side, back, side, hold, with a little sliding, and then cross to make a half unwing. Stop. Okay? With a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's read the whole part, section 1 until section 4 with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4,